Hey, welcome back. In this video, we'll see what Canva is and why it is important. By the way, if you know what Canva is and if you know why it is important, you're free to skip this video and go to the next video. Well, Canva is a graphic design tool website. It uses drag and drop format and provides access to over 1 million photographs, graphics, and fonts. It is used by non-designers like me, as well as professionals. The tools can be used for both web and print media, design, and graphics. This tool makes you a professional even though you have no experience in design. This tool makes you professional. Believe me or not, I've talked to companies, showed my designs, and they were just wonderstruck. So why is it important to know design? Come on, it's the digital age. Everybody is hungry for digital content, but not many can produce, not many can create great pieces of work, and that's what gives you leverage. By taking this course, you have already gained leverage over millions of other people. In fact, statistics show that the graphic design is one of the most in-demand skills in 2019. Is a proof to support my statement. Hard job, graphic designer. Here it is. Job opportunities in the advertising and marketing field are growing. As companies battle to maintain brand dominance, creative firms and in-house departments are taking on additional projects. It's the most in-demand skill. See, graphic designers have serious skills that are in high demand. So this kind of gives you an idea why Canva is important and why graphic design can make your career skyrocket. Alright, that's it for this video. I'll catch you up in the next one. In the next one, we'll sign up to Canva and start the basics. Alright, see you in the next video then.